Welcome to Maschituts. Here's how to change your password on Discord. If you're on a PC or on a Mac, simply go to your user settings located in the lower left corner of the screen. Once you are in there, you will see that there is a section called Password and Authentication, and there you can just simply click on Change Password. Now, to change the password, all you need to do is to enter the current password followed by the new password, and then click on Done. That's it. Now, let us have a look at how we can change the Discord password on an iPhone. For that purpose, we will simply open up Discord, and while being in the main menu, simply click on the icon in the lower right corner of the screen to open up the user settings. Then tap on Account, and then simply tap on Password. Now enter your current password followed by the new password, and you're all done. Last but not least, if you're using an Android phone to change the Discord password, to do that, simply open up Discord, then go to the user settings by clicking on the icon in the lower right corner of the screen, then tap on My Account, and now to change the password, simply tap on Change Password, and then simply enter the current password followed by the new password. That's it, guys, how to change password on Discord. If this tutorial indeed solved your problem, I would be most grateful if you could subscribe to my channel, and in that case, please don't forget to hit the notification bell. Have a great day, guys. Bye.